We're gonna play this crunchy Tetris. What? Tetris Attack?
Tetris Attack, yeah.
Well, it's a box one we got from the flea market.
We got a complete. Well, there's no manual, but we got a box for $10. So
yeah.
That's less than the cartridge cost by itself, so I can always upgrade the cartridge.
Yeah, it's worth it. So we'll get it. We just want to show you how crunchy that looks. See,
So
that's the gray it's supposed to be. And Kitty's saying hi. Same with the dog. That's Bailey. We're having cheeseburgers and applesauce. Anyways, let me get started.
I had a flashlight on it. Turn the flashlight on.
No, Alright, I'm having trouble tonight. You normally do the other stuff, and now I can't.
You have to do all the work stuff.
Screw it. I'll get it on first.
Yeah, because you're going to have to move over it. You're going to probably knock it over anyway. Probably take a couple of throws. Yeah, it's not recognizing it. You gotta keep it.
Hold on, let me get this square.
You're going to knock it over, though, while you're trying to... It's like 10 tries and I ripped off. So I guess it's a lot of tries here.
You sure that's on the right one?
Yeah, you can hear the speaker going on now.
Ha ha! Good old trusty blowing in the damn thing. All right, this is 2-player. We're just playing this. It's just a let's play.
This is different than most puzzle games. You can only move it like pieces in one direction. You can't move up and down. I would start off this game pretty hard, Dad. I would move to level 1 first just to learn for first round. Because of the, you have to get used to the movement of the pieces. Press back.
What do I do?
Press the start button or A. Not yet, though. It's move on. A.
I want to eat my burger.
Stop pressing back.
Why is it different than everything else?
It's not different. It's B. B is always back. Just don't press B.
I did that when I was a kid all the time too.
You can only move them from left to right. You can't move them up and down.
Hey, stop it. She's bringing your milk.
I bet.
It's an anger block. How'd you get that?
I don't know.
Kitty, move your head. I can't see.
I have to use it. Whatever it does. Broken. Hey.
How do you use these?
I think you gave me that.
We didn't have that when you came. Maybe Candy was the one so slow. I just wasn't getting it.
I need blocks.
You can press the button and it'll be
This sucks. I got nothing to play. That doesn't help me here. Alright, that's a good one. I don't know what to do.
That's my level 1 too. It's a hard game.
Mm-hmm. It took me half the game to figure out you can
Yeah.
move the block if you have the.
You know,
I thought you could only just
yeah,
rotate.
you can move it. That's a big part of playing is
Yeah.
doing that. Yeah.
Mhm.
I like it though. Like once you get, it really makes you think because you can only move it one direction, so you really have to like plan your pieces.
Not Tetris.
Yeah. It's a really good game. I'm glad we got it. It's a really good puzzle game. I enjoy this a lot more than most. Kitty, you better stay away from his milk. She's like sneaking up on you.
Go away.
Oh, so Kitty, are you serious? You're sitting right in front of my screen. I can't even see anything.
I can't see you.
Yeah, you gotta move. Shove her out of the way. I'll pause.
Go, Kitty. Oh.
She looks so offended.
Wow.
You two put yourself in a bird.
Man.
I got you. You had too many stacked up in a tower. So when my guys came and fell on it.
Yeah. I was too interested in the burger. At least that's what I'm blaming it on. Alright, let's do this. Come on, I gotta win one. Can't even win on easy.
Nothing to do.
What? I'm figuring it out. What are you doing to me?
I'm getting the combos.
What are those?
When you do like 4 in a row, or you get 3, then you get another 3 like in the same move.
Yeah,
You get those.
I was doing good too. I think it's 'cause you're on level 1.
Yeah.
All right, one more time. Jeez, what are you doing? I hear a lot of beats going
Yeah, that
on.
was me doing the block thing. You're about to get into it.
I'm doing so bad.
Save yourself. The music's so calm, and then it's like,
Yeah, I'm doing bad.
ooh, that's a 5 over this one.
Alright, I suck at this. It's official. Is this the only game on it?
Yeah.
Alright. we'll win one.
You want to try it? Just go up to 5.
Just see faster. Yeah. I'll do that one. Dang it. I had one too. It's official. I suck at this game. That's enough of that.